Hello, everybody. I'm César Fernández. I work for Heidelberg Material, and I work as a performance manager for Europe, Israel, and Morocco. My role in this project, I am project manager, project coordinator as one of this site. DigiEcoQuarry is one of the 5 pilot sites for DigiEcoQuarry, and I'm coordinating everything related to what's going on in this site, coordinating all different working packages. I think that this project is interesting for the industry because it involves a lot of people with no previous relation to the industry, and they can add a different perspective, different viewpoint to some of the problems that this industry has. We are talking about people whose role is to bring in artificial intelligence, to bring in very interesting digitalization projects, some other approaches that we have never seen in this industry previously. So this is why I think that the industry could take some lessons from these different working packages. Some of them, of course, are not going to work, but if we can make some of these very different projects useful for the industry, we could disseminate and promote the use and trying to change slightly the way that we do things. This is an industry that has a very long tradition, but we have always been doing exactly the same things, better than, of course, but basically following the same path. And with this project, we could change slightly the way we do things. For big companies like mine, some of them have a lot of interest in the cement industry, and for them the huge challenge is how to cope with CO2 emissions. Cement industry as a whole is one of the industries that are more involved in these CO2 emissions in the world. So most investments are more expertise will be funneled into all these tasks of reducing CO2. This industry has very ambitious targets, even to the extent of getting 0 emissions by 2050. So the challenge is absolutely huge. And as an aggregate industry, probably will have a lot of investments being diverted to the cement industry, not only to grow, but to get this very ambitious target. Another challenge for the industry is to start a bit more ambitious on digitalization, not only because it's a way to improve margins and profit, but also to tackle what I think is already one of the big challenges of the industry, which is people retention. We've seen in some countries, and we are already seeing in Spain as well, that trying to retain and to keep the employees is key, and we are seeing this as one of the most exerting issues with huge turnover of people, and digitalization could be a way of attracting people into our industry.